Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. My name is Maggie, and I am your teacher.
Hi, I'm John. I am learning English.
That's great, John. Today, we will learn about common objects. We will also practice spelling, simple sentences, and capital letters and punctuation.
I'm ready, Maggie. Let's start.
Okay, let's start with some common objects. I will say the word, and then you repeat it. Ready, John?
Yes, ready.
The first object is book. Can you say book, John?
Book.
Great. A book is something we read. I have a book here. Do you have a book, John?
Yes, I have a book.
Nice. Let's try another word. Pen. Can you say pen, John?
Pen.
Good job. A pen is something we use to write. Do you use a pen every day, John?
Yes, I use a pen every day.
Great. Here's another one. Table. Say table, John.
Table.
Well done. A table is a piece of furniture. I am sitting at a table right now. Where are you, John?
I'm sitting at a table too.
Perfect. One more word. Chair. Can you say chair, John?
Chair.
Nice work. A chair is where we sit. You are sitting in a chair now, right?
Yes, I am sitting in a chair.
Now let's practice spelling some words. I will say the word and then I will spell it. Ready, John?
Yes, I'm ready.
First word, book. B-O-O-K. Book. Can you repeat the spelling, John?
B-O-O-K. Book.
Great. Now let's spell pen. P-E-N. Pen. Try it, John.
P-E-N. Pen.
Good job. Now let's spell table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Can you say it, John?
T-A-B-L-E. Table.
Well done. And now let's spell chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Try it, John.
C-H-A-I-R. Chair.
Excellent. You are doing great. Now let's use the words we learned in some simple sentences. I will say the sentence slowly and you can repeat it. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. First sentence. This is a book.
This is a book.
Very good. Now let's try I have a pen.
I have a pen.
Nice job. Let's try another one. The table is big.
The table is big.
Great. And here's the last one. I sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
Perfect. You are making excellent sentences. Now let's talk about capital letters and punctuation. Capital letters are big letters and they come at the beginning of a sentence. Also, we use punctuation marks like periods to end sentences.
Oh, I understand.
Good. Let's look at a sentence. Here's a sentence. This is a book. Can you see the mistake?
Yes, this should start with a capital letter.
Exactly. The correct sentence is, this is a book. Can you say it, John?
This is a book.
Great. Now here's another one. I have a pen is a good sentence, but we need a period at the end.
Ah, so it should be, I have a pen.
Yes, perfect. Let's practice. I will say a sentence, and you put the capital letter and the period. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Here's the sentence. I sit on a chair.
It should be, I sit on a chair.
Very good. And don't forget the period at the end.
I sit on a chair.
Perfect. You're learning so much. Now let's practice listening. I will say a sentence and you need to listen carefully. Then you can repeat the sentence. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Here's the first sentence. The book is on the table. Can you repeat it, John?
The book is on the table.
Great. Here's another one. I have a pen and a chair.
I have a pen and a chair.
Well done. One more. The chair is under the table.
The chair is under the table.
Excellent. You are really improved in your listening skills. Let's review what we learned today with a simple conversation. I will ask you some questions and you can answer, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
What do you have on your table?
I have a book and a pen on my table.
Nice. Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on a chair.
Great. Is your pen on the table?
Yes, my pen is on the table.
Perfect. You answered all the questions correctly. That's all for today. We learned some common objects, practiced spelling, and used simple sentences. You did a great job.
Thank you, Maggie. I feel better at English now.
I'm so happy to hear that, John. Keep practicing and you will get better and better.
Yes, I will.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our podcast for more lessons. Keep learning, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.
Goodbye. Have a great day.